Well, folks, this is my 9.8 mile mark uh, video on North Shore Road in Lake Mead National Recreation Area. These are various slides of the area directly south of the road. Beautiful colors, beautiful skies today. And in the background there is Black Mesa. This is December 25th, 2021 visit. Beautiful blue skies and clouds. Well, anyway, as you can see, it's a beautiful day on the 25th. And in the far background, that's Black Mesa. So if you're looking at this on the map, use that as your reference point. But beautiful, easy area right here to park along North Shore Road at the 9.8 mile mark. And the area of interest is this area up front. What's interesting about what you're seeing here is there's various environmental activities that have gone through in the last, it started some 13 million years ago. You have these white volcanic tuff beds here. It's basically ash that has fallen to the ground from some volcanic activity in that time period, 13, 14 million years ago, I guess. And it's just walking down into this little gully where you can see various items that have been exposed. All that platy look there is layers of volcanic ash. That's the red sandstone over there. And in here, you've got the white ash tuff with brownish black stripes. Then above that is that yellow sandstone, siltstone transition. And then above that is the red sandstone unit. You can also look further and see other layers within the volcanic layer, lava layer at the top. But I was walking up to this boulder that has fallen down from above. Here's some slides. That was clearly at the very top up there and fell down, but you can look at it and see that this lava has been exposed to mud and some material that is at the very top. That boulder is a good 3 or 4 feet in diameter. But as we walk closer up to this feature here, you'll see all these different strata that have been exposed through many millions of years of erosion. The tilted nature of all this strata here is due to the block movement along fault lines that are throughout this area. Some 14 to 10 million years ago, there was an extensive extensional tectonic extension movement, and you notice that in a lot of the strata here where it has a tilted or folded look to it. And ash and this sandstone, they will fold and bend easily. But coming up here close, we'll see this yellowish tan sandstone. There it is, right there. That's between the ash layer and the red sandstone. So after all that volcanic ash that had deposited here, you then now have this sand from a river or a lake that came in and deposited right on the top of it. There's a better look of the separations. But the contact with all this activity, it's got to be associated with a body of water, some sort of river channel or a delta that was in this area, and maybe all this volcanic ash that was in the air fell down into the lake and did something to it, and then the source of the water came back and deposited all this upper brownish sandstone. And then later, millions of years later, the red sandstone came in. But these ash beds, these white ash beds you see here, are real thick, and all you're seeing just what's exposed on the surface. Just imagine how many hundreds of feet thick this is below ground where we are right here. And then you have these various stripes of this dark black, brown material. I have a close-up rock specimen of this black brown material. Again, everything's tilted because of the tectonic movement in this area during the heavy extension period, plate extension. That black material, it's got to be some sort of a mud flow that has a lot of volcanic debris uh, in it. So look at the base, the that darkish brown black material is at the very base. And then, as I said before, you could probably go down hundreds of feet and see more of this stuff. I mean, this volcanic tuff layer could be hundreds of feet thick. I do plan on coming out here several more times, so this will just be part one video. I want to explore higher up uh, and try to climb to the top of this hill and see what's going on up there. I do have other videos that are to the east of this area and to the west of this area. But anyway, here's a piece I broke off, and that's what it looks like. It's not pure lava, it's fragments like a breccia with some mud breccia, volcanic type of situation. Now, what is the environment that would create that? Is an interesting question. It's kind of brittle, but the picture I showed is very hard. So it's got hot and it fused together. It's got to be part of the story. But the other pieces are rather brittle, like it's almost a mud. But anyway, hope everyone enjoys this video. There's more to come.